I don't know what that white stuff is. Probably old food wrapper somebody threw out there. He found something in it, I guess. These blackbirds, some of the smartest birds in the world. Yeah, he turns around, gets every little speck off of it he could find. Those birds always pecking something and then look around pretty quick. Make sure nothing's sneaking up on him. I guess he got all he could out of that. I think he got him a drink of water then. This is got on the Edward Medder Dam. There he goes. And the sun will soon be rising on the big horizon. And here we are at the spillway of the dam on the Edward Medder Reservoir. And that roaring you hear is water. It's like a waterfall inside of this big square here. And the water falls down to a huge tube that goes under the dam and out the other side. And you can see the water going down to the Gulf of Mexico. It goes into the hills, the Alafia River first, but it eventually gets into the Gulf of Mexico. And down there you see there's vegetation, brown vegetation there. And just a couple of weeks ago, that vegetation there was bright green because we'd been on a drought for about 2 or 3 months and the water was just about dried up and it was flowing around the little beds of weeds there, and brown weeds. It was just a mere trickle, not much more than a yard wide. But hopefully that'll be over with for a long time. Usually we get enough rain these June, July, August, even September to replenish our watersheds and everything. So these buoys here keep people from keep boulders from getting up here close to the spillway where they think fish congregate. So, you fishermen out there, water's way up now. So whether you're an advocate of low water or high water, it may behoove you to come out and do some fishing with the water up again. In Edward Medard Reservoir, beautiful downtown Durant, Florida. But you may want to bring a fan with you. Can you see the sweat on my brow? Oh, already sweating out here as the sun's coming up on the reservoir, Durant, Florida. Ooh, I think it's about to fall off my nose too. And look at here, just spotted me some food, mushrooms, all over the place. Look over here even. There's one. Nice looking there. Look at that one. Another one there, look. Ooh. It's like an old umbrella or something. There they are. All over the place. Here's a whole patch of them. Hey, Mom. Mushroom soup tonight. And everything's all right.